This lesson will cover the many different kinds of irregular French present participles. French present participles are formed by replacing the on ending in the present tense new form with un. So nearly all irregular present participles are based on verbs that are irregular in the present tense new form. The present participles for j'ai verbs include an e prior to the en ending. Ser verbs have a cedilla in their present participles. Uire verbs include an s prior to their present participle ending. Être verbs have a double s prior to their present participle endings. Indre verbs have a gn prior to their present participle endings. Quérir verbs do not end in issons in their present participles, despite being ir verbs. The same applies to other ir verbs without issons present tense endings, as well as dormir-type verbs, the two-stem present tense ir verbs valoir and bouillir, three-stem present tense ir verbs, and the verbs tenir, venir, and vêtir. And there are several verbs with their own types of irregular present participles. The verbs avoir, être, and savoir have present participles that are unrelated to their present tense new forms. Savoir also has a secondary adjective or noun present participle that is derived from its present tense new form savoir. There are a few groups of verbs that also have secondary present participles. They can be used as adjectives or nouns. So we have alternate present participles ending in ent, alternate present participles ending in gon, and alternate present participles ending in con. And there you have it, a basic summary of irregular French present participles. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a French speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.